Welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to break down a solution that's designed to fix some of those all too common headaches in modern business communication. I'm talking about the TeQ I.Q phone system. So, if you've ever felt like your phone setup just isn't keeping up, this explainer is definitely for you. Okay, let's just dive right in by asking a question that I think a lot of business owners face. Does your current phone setup feel kind of fragmented? Frustrating, even? Do you ever look at the bill and think, am I really getting my money's worth here? I mean, think about it. You're constantly juggling different apps for your calls, your texts, your voicemails. Or maybe you're tired of giving out your personal cell number for business. We all know how messy that gets. And what about being chained to your desk? Or that sinking feeling when you lose a phone and realize all your messages are gone with it? Yeah, these are the exact problems we're talking about. So, the solution here, the big idea, is to move away from all that chaos and into a single unified system, something that actually works for you, not against you. This is all built on a concept called UCAS. Now, that sounds technical, but it really just means Unified Communications as a Service. And what it boils down to is this: all your communication tools, calls, video, texts, even internal chat, are brought together into one seamless service you can use on any of your devices. Now, what's really interesting here is the contrast. You've got the old way, multiple apps, separate numbers, fragmented histories, and being stuck at your desk. And then you have the TeQ I.Q way. Everything in one place, multiple numbers on one phone, a unified history, and the freedom to communicate from absolutely anywhere. It's a huge shift. And get this part brilliantly illustrates the simplicity. The claim is you can be up and running in as little as 30 minutes. And that even includes free remote setup assistance to help you get it all done. Okay, let's move on and see how this system really builds freedom into how you and your team work. We're talking about true flexibility here. Here's a perfect example of what that looks like in real life: seamless call transfer. Imagine you're on a call at your desk, but you need to leave. You can just transfer that live call right to your mobile. Then, when you get home, you can switch it over to your computer. The person on the other end has no idea. The conversation just keeps flowing, completely uninterrupted. This system is really designed for how we work now. It gives you the ability to use your business line pretty much anywhere in the world. And because everything's in the cloud, you never have to worry about losing your call history. Plus, it's got high-quality video meetings and screen sharing built in. And super important, all of it is protected by military-grade encryption. Now let's get to one of the most powerful new additions to this kind of tech: the integration of artificial intelligence. This is where your phone system stops being just a tool and starts being, well, smart. So TeQ I.Q now includes an AI assistant that literally transcribes all of your calls and then automatically generates a summary of the conversation. Think about that for a second. So what does this actually mean for you day to day? Well, for starters, it means no more listening to long, rambling voicemails. Instead, you get the key points and a full text version sent right to your email or phone, instantly. Honestly, this technology is a total game changer. It's amazing for training, for quality control, and just for making sure you capture every single important detail from your client conversations. It's like having a personal note taker on every call. So let's talk about the bottom line. Let's look at how this whole thing is actually structured to help small and growing businesses succeed. The business case is pretty straightforward. You're looking at free installation and support, all with no long-term contract. It's a month-to-month thing, which gives you the freedom to scale up or down as your company grows without being locked in. This quote, which actually comes from their own material, really sums up the whole value proposition perfectly. You have nothing to lose but your higher bill. It's a bold statement for sure. You know, it's often the growing businesses with the big ideas that are the earliest adopters of new technology, which kind of leaves us with a final thought to chew on. Is your current phone system holding you back, or is it actually helping you grow? Is it a tool that reflects your ambitions?